Yes, it's me, Leo. New day, new thoughts. Morning is always the moment when I try to find balance. The body is just waking up and the brain is already starting to scroll through charts and deals. And now I understand that I'm too bogged down in work and charts. Just recently, an interesting thought came to me. Trading is the same sport. You need discipline, a regiment, and constant work on yourself. While I brush my teeth, candles and levels still flash in my head. Someone will say, why burden yourself in the morning? But this is how a professional trader works. You don't live in the illusion of easy money. You understand that the market is a marathon, not a sprint. I did my exercises and I already feel that the day is set right. It's the same in trading. If you don't have a warm-up, you're not ready for the low. And for me, a warm-up is watching the market without transactions, just observing, seeing how it breathes. Yesterday, for example, my bot filtered out a bunch of false signals, and that's what saved the session. Today, I want to show you not only a trader, but also a person who goes out and works with his body. Soon, you will see my open-air office. I go to the site where I usually train. I will take my laptop with me, and right after training, I will open trades. This is my style, to pump up not only the account, but also myself. I made all these comparisons with trading for a reason. I want you to understand how closely trading can be intertwined with your life if you do it every day. And the main thing is to do it correctly and with pleasure, like I'm going to do today. I love going out early in the morning, while the city is just waking up. The air is still cool, the streets are almost empty. It's like the whole city is yours. You could even make a film. Like right now, you're essentially watching a documentary about my life. I think that not only me, but also many of you find sport helpful in coping with life's problems. For me, it has become not just a body workout, but also a tool for unloading the brain. It's funny that my student took note of this and now does physical exercises after trading sessions. Perhaps I will introduce you to him in person soon. Today I'm doing my usual workout. 3 sets on the parallel bars and the horizontal bar. This is enough for me to feel in good physical shape. And several transactions a day are enough for me to feel in good financial shape. And as soon as I finish the complex, I want to rest and start trading. Why did I decide to do trading and exercise at the same time? Simply because I like it. I like that I can earn money while being anywhere. At home, in a restaurant, in a car, and even on a sports ground. Whew, I'm done with my workout, but it feels like my body hasn't had enough. So let's combine business with pleasure. I'll start making deals, but for every unsuccessful deal, I'll do 20 push-ups on the bars. Such a challenge for myself. So let's find a place and we'll get started. Okay, I found a good place. Now I open the trading terminal and work in tandem with the socket bot. I go to the workspace section, select Forex, mark the currency pair I want to work with. I set the expiration to 1 minute and click Get a Signal. While the bot analyzes the market, I also look at the chart. I wonder how much its logic coincides with mine. As expected, a signal for growth. I open a buy deal. The chart shows an upward trend. The price is confidently holding in the ascending channel and has just bounced off the level. Excellent momentum, the movement is confirmed before our eyes. Perfect hit. Entered right before the impulse, and the trade went straight into my pocket. Profit $890. Switching to another currency pair. The hunt for the next formation continues. I chose Euro JPY. I repeat everything in order, but currency pair, expiration, minute, wait a signal. Everything is simple, clear and fast. There is a buy signal, we enter. The price continues its upward movement, the trend is confirmed. We enter to continue the impulse. My goal is to update the previous maximum. If the price breaks this level, the movement may accelerate. The trend is strong, and this is the key indicator. Okay, I'll have to do push-ups because there was a correction. The direction is determined correctly, but literally a couple of seconds and the deal closes with a loss. The maximum has not been updated, therefore a loss. I increased the risk to $2,000 and wait for a new signal. Found a good chart with potential. Expiration is immediate. And again, I wait for the bot to analyze the situation. The yield on this pay is 82%, quite interesting. Buy signal, I am entering. Market fluctuations show that there is potential for growth. The goal is the same, to update the maximum. If everything works out, there will be a powerful upward movement. That's it. The trade closed with a profit of $3,640. Yes, the price was a little closer to the entry zone, but it still worked. I reduced the risk and started looking for the next entry point. Found another interesting currency pair. Profitability 81%. I launch a signal, wait, the bot will analyze everything now and show you the recent entry. At this time, I look at the overall picture to be in context. Signal for a fall, I enter. Judging by the chart, there is a clear downward trend. The entry is logical. The goal is to update the course and continues the decline. Now a short-term growth is possible, but if it fades, the downward movement will continue. The main thing is not to go above their resistance. And again, profit. The bot clearly defined the entry point. Excellent deal. The market will most likely continue to fall, but we have already taken our share. Today there were 4 deals, one with a loss, but we covered it. As a result, excellent profit, good dynamics, and a confident end to our session. Well, as promised, for each unsuccessful deal, I was planning to do 20 push-ups. I had only one losing deal, so the end of the training won't be hard. Sometimes I feel like trading gave me more than just freedom. It reminded me that I'm alive, that the morning can start not with traffic jams and an office, but with coffee on the balcony and a workout. That money is not just numbers in a terminal, but a way to say to yourself, yes, today I choose to live by my own rules. I don't want to compete, to be faster than everyone else. I want to go at my own pace. And trading, whatever it is just a tool that makes your life better if you approach it correctly. And if this life is close to you in spirit, or you want to become a part of my team, welcome to my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. All you need to do is message me, "Hi Leo, I want access to the closed group." I will personally reply to you within 10-15 minutes, but I won't be able to take many people, because I work with everyone personally, so I will take 5 to 6 people. So don't be shy, text to me, I'll be glad to see you. And that's all for today. Write in the comments whether you like this format and you want to see more videos like this. I'll be glad to read your comments. With you was Leo, see you there.